Alright, so look at this. Back again. And this time, we invented a new kind of hamburger. And we're going to call this the pizza burger. So basically what I did was I took the hamburger, I put it on the frying pan there, fried it up, I flipped it over. Then on the side that was already cooked, I put like the tomato sauce first, and then I put the cheese. And then I kind of just left it until like the cheese has kind of now melted to really resemble like what a pizza would be like. Oh, look at that. So I figure like we'll just put it down there, right? Just to kind of get it off the pan. Okay, so that turned out pretty good. And if it's a bit of a mess, remember that's okay. You know, sometimes that happens. Now we got to get these onto our bun. It's a bit of a. I should have just put it onto the bun, like right off of the pan. That would have worked better. If I could like move this over. Yeah, there we go. There we go.